Hey guys, how we doing? What's going on? It's the Sherpa here. How my bulls? I hope everybody's well. I had a wonderful weekend. Took a quick trip to go to a wedding, and now I'm back in the hill country. And I can tell you, I do not miss Houston, Texas, but that's enough about me. Let's get to the Sunday recap. This has been top of mind. I had to get it out for you guys. Pardon the messy hair. We're gonna crush this week. This week is going to be a simple one. Let's keep our trades easy. Let's keep them simple. Let's go, everybody, to everbullish.com. Click on the investment articles to follow along. In this one, we'll have a picture of Jerome Powell, a picture of a Bitcoin in its physical form. And what else do we have? A pump jack on there, price of oil. So follow along. This is my website. As you know, if you're new to the website, this is a free blog that I put out for everybody to become better traders. So all right, here's the deal. We got Fed decision week coming up. I gave you the economics in the last video. Watch it again if there was anything you missed, or maybe even before these numbers come out. I believe that the Fed will keep rates where they are or say they're keeping rates where they are by not making a move in the federal funds rate. And I do believe we're going to continue tapering our bond purchases. But what does that mean to you? What that means to you, I feel very comfortable, very, very comfortable that nothing will change. That they will not make any changes to the Fed funds rate to impact interest rates. But if they do, I want to be positioned well. And that's why I keep hammering Goldman Sachs and FAS at you, okay? Like I say right here, I got a picture of my boy Jerome, our boy, Mr. Pumping the steroids into the stock market, Mr. Balco of the stock market, right? Balco, Barry Bonds, Balco? Yeah, I think so. I feel very comfortable about positions in Bitcoin, positions in oil, positions in banks, positions in healthcare, and biotech, healthcare, biotech, same. So anyway, we're gonna check out the barrel of oil there. West Texas crude hit 71, so oil hit 71 last week. It was at 70. We had a very stagnant week considering that things only got better in the summer months. And things are looking great for oil. So ERX, you know what it is. I'm all about ERX. I'm all about CPE. If you own Devon, keep it. It's going to pop back. If you don't, buy some more Devon. If you're going to buy Devon, pair it with CPE. Callon Petroleum, they seem to switch like this for some reason. MRO, I love too. EOG, I love too. I can name these off forever, guys. But oil companies are going to be an easy 1 to 2 week swing trade. ERX, DVN, CPE, MRO are probably my three favorites. You can't go wrong with anything, and ERX is probably the best for people that aren't very sophisticated traders. Swing traders, day trades, I like them for day trades, dip trades, long-term holds. They fit every single mold in there. So oil, you get it. I think that's enough enthusiasm on oil. LabU, baby, LabU and BIB. They're roughly the same thing. They're very, very similar. I already own a ton of LabU. Y'all all know that that's my catalyst for all of my investing right now. That's where I take the earnings and dump them back in. I believe it'll be in the mid 80s. But if you have some traction that you want to get on the market and want to switch up a name, or for any tax reasons, if you want to harvest a gain or a loss and then switch and stay positioned, LabU, BIB, pretty much, what do they say? They have to be semi-characteristically different, or whatever it is to anyway, it gets the tax law out of the way. I don't give a shit about that. I just want you to get into BIOTECH 3 times leverage and make some cash this week. So get with it. LabU, BIB, Goldman Sachs, FAS, Bitcoin, GBTC. This is going to be a rare Monday punch. I'm probably going to buy this at the open no matter what. Well, not at the open. I'll probably buy this somewhere between 9 Central and 10 Central time. At some point on Monday. That's how much I'm certain that Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has much more upside than it does downside. The El Salvador news has a lot to do with this, if you're wondering, and also the Sherpa secret sauce, the correlations that I've already told you about, but I'm not repeating. I'm already taking you to the top of the mountain. I'm already giving it to you. Go back and watch my videos if you care, to the whole catalog, to see what the actual science is. But I've got some science behind this. Based on correlations, and when I check the price of Bitcoin, it's going to have a good week. Get on with GBTC. It's still at a discount as well. SOXL, SQ, AAPL, AMZN. Apple, Amazon, Square, SOXL best bet in that space. Not my best bet for the week. SOXL, as you know, semiconductor, triple leverage, easy. Square coming out with Bitcoin hardware device, Bitcoin wallet, hardware wallet. Get with it. That's an easy one. Apple, I just like Apple and Amazon this week for some of my more lackadaisical traders that just want something to fire on but don't want to take too much risk. Buy Apple, buy Amazon, sell them at the end of the week, you'll make money. UWMC, pound it. I loved what I saw in the technicals last week. UWMC, United Wholesale Mortgage. For you guys following along, you already know. For you new guys, it's a hedge on interest rates in both directions. If the interest rates go up, they're going to have a lot more revenues because they can start charging more for the mortgages that they already own and repackage or originate. And if they go down, they could sell their loans and then buy cheaper loans. Win-win for mortgage companies in a raising interest rate environment. Speaking of mortgage companies, sector performance, as we always do. What do you think the best sector of last week was? We had real estate, then followed by healthcare. They were both up 1.9%. Then we had discretionary. Actually, I screwed this up. Discretionary is 1, healthcare, real estate were 2. I'll fix that. On the bottom side, no, I was right. Yeah, I was right. 1.93 for real estate, 1.93 for healthcare, 1.62 for discretionary. IT was 1.3. Financials, materials, industrials, staples, and energies were all negative. Can you see where I might be forming a hypothesis here? The market swallowed the Thursday news like it was nothing. So bullish this week on the laggards and bullish this week on the entire market. Like I said, it's all those sectors and even more. So just to pound it into your head, because it's pounded into mine, and I'm going to pound it into the market. I'm going to pound Bitcoin this week. GBTC, we hit 38 on Sunday evening just now when I was checking this. That's going to break out upward. This is for you, not for me. Take a look at it. This is the sectors of the S&P and their performance over the last 1 year. If you want to become a better trader, you've got to know what these are, and I'm making you revisit them every week. So you're welcome. All right, here's a note too. Here's a real simple and easy Sherpa stock tip of the week, economics tip, trading tip of the week. June, there's a ton of health conferences. There's healthcare conferences all over the country. And I put a list up here. We have digital conference on June 14th through 18th. We have B of A Securities virtual healthcare conference. We have Citi European Health Day. We have JP Morgan Securities Life Sciences Conference, JP Morgan Euro Healthcare Alliance Global Partners Healthcare Symposium virtual. So basically, this is the dog and pony shows where the girls get to strut their stuff out there on the catwalk for all these companies. So you're gonna have small cap, mid cap, mega cap, biotech, healthcare companies walking down the catwalk, trying to get the attention of the portfolio managers, so to speak, and that's what's going on. This happens in June. This puts a spotlight, if there's not too much other ancillary things going on in the market, back on healthcare, back on biotech, bullish. Earnings calendar, we've got Oracle. That one's going to be big. I may listen to that call. We have Lennar, Home Builders. We've got Kroger. I don't really care about any of these. I'm sure the Oracle news will be big on Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning, go check your Yahoo Finance or your Market Watch and see what the front page is. It will say Oracle beats and then Oracle misses. It'll say Oracle beats, let's say revenues, but misses earnings expectations or EPS or something like that. A slow week like this, nothing to really care about on earnings calendars or news, okay? All right, 2 best buys of the week, what you've all been waiting for. The best buy of the week, I've already told you one of them. GBTC is one of them, but I've been holding this baby in my back pocket. So here at 9 minutes and 30 seconds, be bullish on FTCV, financial technology, fintech, SPAC. Straight up, this one's been in my back pocket for a while. I've been watching this like crazy. I've been waiting to share this one and to buy this one on my own. SPACs are coming back into play because all the dumb money that left and went to the meme stocks and went to the crypto coins and went to consolidated spaces and has been bouncing in and out of Tesla for the last couple of years. And again, has kind of been trying to follow these meme stocks like Clover and Riot and all the other ones. A lot of that money is going to be coming back into the market after being burned, and now SPACs are kind of the hot ticket item again, I believe. So not only is it a SPAC, not only is it financial technology, not only does it fit perfectly in concurrence with my hypothesis here, it's also the company that's planning on taking eToro, which is an online digital platform similar to Robinhood, in my opinion, better. And I have a lot of people that watch this channel from overseas in the UK, in Europe, some people in Asia, and a lot of my military boys. Shout out military boys, thank you for your service over there in Iraq and Afghanistan. Well, not Afghanistan anymore, but overseas in certain places that have hit me up and let me know that they like using eToro. So I buy what I like. I'm a Peter Lynch guy. I'm not calling any serendipity behind it, but I do have eyes on it. I do know what I'm talking about. I've even done a review on it. That's enough for you to know why I like it. Pound it. Don't think too hard about it. FTCV, best bet of the week. FTCB, Financial Technology Acquisition Corporation 5. That's what that stands for. Here we are. I had to get up. You can tell by the hair. Long weekend in Houston. Hot as hell in Texas. Drinking coffee, making videos, making you a better investor. Go to Ever Bullish. Donate a cup of coffee. Buy me a round of golf. If you feel so compelled, buy one of my portfolios. And most importantly, thank you for watching. Keep it up. And these tips are going to make you much more than that. And when they do, you can come back and hit me on the backside. I'm cool with it. It all comes out in the wash. But anyway, this is where I normally plug everbullish.com. You know how my portfolios do. You see how I'm managing these things. And fire your manager this summer. Enjoy my online opinions and guidance and not advice, because I am a newsletter, and this is a disclaimer that I have to put in every video going forward. All right, you stayed to the end. Here we are. The best option trade is also an option trade on this week's best bet. It is an FTCV, the SPAC I just mentioned, $10 August 2021 call option for $1.85. You're saying that this company will be above $11.85, which is an in the money option because it's already at 12, and that you're saying it's going to be that before August 20th. It will be. It will stay there. The spread on the ticks inside of this thing are upwards of over 20%. All this has to do is tick up one time. You cash it out. You made 20%. You're welcome. All right, it's your boy Chase. Appreciate it. Thank you all for the followers. I just crossed 400 in less than what have we been doing this 2.5 months, 3 months now. So thank you for spreading the word. It's very obvious that you are. If you want to say thank you, remember you got the cup of coffees, you got the website. Most importantly, keep educating yourself, keep trading alongside me. We're going to get rich together. This is catching on. This is the way to do this. We're going to take down the large bureaucratic institutions that don't give a you-know-what about you. We're going to break down the dogma. It's never been this easy to invest, and you've got me to teach you how to do it. So LGR, AFG, Chase at Everbullish, The Stock Sherpa on YouTube, everbullish.com, the Everbullish One podcast. I am out.